Hi, this is Eliot from Workload. Unfortunately, we all make mistakes. Luckily, Workload has a solution. In this video, we'll be discussing how to use the undo function. Alright, so here we are at the Workload editor, and we have a simple workflow set up with 4 steps. We have a trigger of a new entry in Typeform, and then from that, we're going to send an email in Gmail. We're going to quick add an event in Google Calendar, and then we're going to create a card in Trello. Now let's say that you realize, you know what, I don't even check my Google Calendar anymore. I really only need the Trello card in place in order for me to get the notification to remind myself of this event. So I'm going to delete that third step. I don't need that anymore. Get that out of there. But then I'm realizing that the way my create card in Trello is set up is that the name of the event is coming from Google Calendar, and that the start date was also coming from Google Calendar. And I could delete these and find those dates from the original Typeform entry, or I could go ahead and just undo that delete step. And now that's back in place. And I can come down and check my Trello card. And now that information has been fixed. It's found the name of that event. It's found that start date that came from Google Calendar. So all it took was a simple undo button, and now my workflow is functioning like it was before. That's how you can use the undo button to fix a mistake and save yourself a lot of time. Please like and subscribe this video to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.